Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.
Leaves fall down. Read aloud for you by Little Angel Reader.
Leaves fall down, down, down.
Leaves fall down, down, down. When do leaves fall down? Leaves fall down in the fall. Spring, summer, fall or autumn, and winter. These are seasons of the year. It is fall now. It is autumn now. Trees are so beautiful in autumn.
Trees are beautiful in the fall.
Leaves have different colors. This is a red leaf. Red. This is an orange leaf. Orange. This is a yellow leaf.
Yellow.
Yellow. This is a green leaf.
Green.
Green.
Blue.
Blue. This is a purple leaf.
Purple.
Purple. This is a brown leaf.
This is a rake.
This is a rake. This is a leaf pile.
This is a leaf pile.
We can see leaves in different places. We can see leaves everywhere.
We can see leaves everywhere.
We can see leaves on the ground.
We can see leaves on the ground. Look, she's taking a picture. We can see leaves on a swing.
We can see leaves on a swing.
We can see leaves in puddles.
We can see leaves in puddles. We can see leaves on a spider web.
We can see leaves on a spider web. What a beautiful spider web.
We can see leaves in a teacup.
What? A teacup?
We can see a leaf on a flag. This is the flag of Canada.
A red maple leaf.
We can see leaves in the grass.
We can see leaves in the grass. Green grass.
We can see leaves on the snow and in the snow. We can see leaves on a tree stump.
One yellow leaf.
We can even see a leaf on a fish. How funny!
Look at this purple fish. How funny!
We can see leaves everywhere. Fall leaves are beautiful.
Autumn leaves are beautiful.
Thank you for reading with us today.
And looking at different leaves.
Good night and sweet dreams. Happy fall. Fall in love with learning. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have you read any of my books? Which one is your favorite? If you like my stories and the way I read them aloud on my channel, you can support me by buying my books on Amazon. You can also thank me here. PayPal littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you for all your help and for reading with us today.
Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.